The churches are not telling the story of the gospel. They tell it as secular history, and it isn't. It's salvation history. The whole thing is contained within you, the immortal you. And you saw it all before you set off. All was foretold. And then you drank, as we all do, that juice of forgetfulness. And we forget who we are as we come down and entomb ourselves and take all the weaknesses and the restrictions and the limitations of the body that we have annexed. And we have to suffer with it. As we are told in Scripture, O foolish men, and slow of heart to understand. Was it not necessary for Christ to suffer these things and then enter into his glory? He comes down into, speaking of you now, you come down into the restriction called man. You take upon yourself the limitation of contraction, of opacity. And when you reach that limit, then all of a sudden, you dream the dream of life. In the fullness of time, you break the shell like a chick coming out of the shell. And then you come out. And then you ascend. And the very one that came down is the one to go up. Only he who descended can ascend. So you will ascend and you'll do the same thing. But now, you will penetrate and annex the brain of the heavenly man. This was only a temporary annexation, so that the body here becomes a temporary possession of the soul, but only temporary. And then you go up and you annex the brain of the heavenly man, and that's permanent. And you are the living God. And everyone's going to go up and become that same living God, and then there'll be only one body, one spirit, one Lord, one God and Father of all.